This right here is an e-bike that is almost completely indistinguishable from a regular bike. It is so slim and sleek, and it is also extremely silent. You would not believe how silent it is. This motor right here, whispered silent, it is insane. So yeah, this is a low-key bike, but with all the high-end features that there are, and also a secret speed unlock feature on top. Yeah, amazing stuff right there. So this is the new e-gravel series by Fiido, so let's check it out. Got the new drip from Fiido, the e-gravel C21. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. As you can see, it's fairly light and manageable, especially for a big e-bike. So let's open it up. Here we go. Big box with the accessories right here and the frame. Oh, here is the saddle and the frame and the wheels. Oh, it's so light. Love it. It's right here. So let's get rid of the box. So, and now let's remove all the wraps. So there we go. And the last step before we can get to the setup is of course to go through the accessories. So here we go. First of all, we have the saddle. This is what it looks like right here from the side. And right here with this screw, we can adjust the position. We can slide it backwards or forwards here underneath. And lastly, of course, the tube right here with the scale, min insert length. Then we also get two mud guards, this smaller one for the front and also this large one for the back. And then we also have this large accessories box right here. And inside here on the top we have these parts right here. These are for adjusting the mud guards. Then we will get two bags of screws and parts. This one is for the steering bar, the top bracket. And then right here we have the manual. So let's go through it immediately. So page 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Super detailed, amazing manual. Now let's lift up this padding. This is a great box, look at that, amazing. This is like an organized toolbox. So yeah, here we have all the tools, wrenches, hex keys, a screwdriver. We will even get a converter for the power outlet, for the wall sockets. Sweet looking front light right here with the connector. Also a bell. Also this triangle tool with strong hex keys. This is the display, the board computer. Then right here we will get the bike tail light. That's the box. This side, and this side. And this is a complete kit, including a charging cable, the mount for the bike, and of course also the light. And check this out, you can actually charge it. That's genius. And with this button right here, you can turn it on and off. Blinking mode, sustained mode. Oh, also a breathing mode, that's awesome. And turn it off. And then we will also get the pedals in here. Rubber coating on the surfaces, really nice. And of course one for the left and the other one for the right side. And lastly, here we have the cable for the power outlet for the wall socket and the power brick with the connector for the bike. Really neat looking power brick. And back here we have all these specs. Let's go. And also this safety manual for the charger. Wow, that is the best organized box that I have ever seen so far. Alrighty, let's get to the setup. So, as you can see, I'm ready for the setup. I studied the manual, it's straightforward, as always. But what I really like about this approach is that actually all the important parts like the screen and all of that is packaged safely in the accessories box. And this way it can't get damaged while in transit. Absolutely genius. So first of all is this handlebar. And I've already prepped all the parts and I have them right here, ready to go. Just like that, the handlebar is installed. Oh, the brakes. Great brakes. All right, another easy, quick win would be the saddle, of course. Boom, just like that. All right, while it's stable like that, I will also insert the pedals. Screw them in with this wrench. Right one and the left one. Next up would be the front wheel. This is interesting. This is actually a novel approach. You don't have a quick release, you just have this bar thingy and you can just screw it in like so. Again, with the triangle tool, screw it in. Easy as that. Wow, that's perfect. Super strong brake. Boom. I like this approach. This keeps it perfectly centered. Wow, almost done. Super light. It is so light. Amazing. Kickstand straight out of the box. Perfect. All right, looking good. Next step would be to install the mudguards, and this will probably take a bit of time, but let's do it. All right, and lastly, we have the display and front light. That is so cool. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, now let's plug everything in. It's even color coded. Okay, push it back into the frame, and there we go. Sweet. Oh yeah, and of course, there is also the bell. Can't go without the bell, of course. Oh wow, check this out. And underneath the saddle, we of course also need to install the backlight. So let's screw it in. Yeah, perfect. Check this out. Done with the unboxing and with the setup. And now let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So look at this beauty. This is the e-Gravel C21 and it's looking really nice. Super sleek and slim frame. The handlebar is also looking refined and nice. And this display, oh my goodness. This is all the info on here. So let's pull this off. 4 buttons right here. So nice. And the finish and the color is also looking amazing. Fully street legal, of course. We have the reflectors, we have the lights, we have the motor and speed limitations. Good stuff. The mudguards were quite hard to install, but as you can see, I got it done. It's really not needed actually, and it's also looking better without them. But for this video, I thought, hey, let's also demonstrate the full capabilities of all the accessories, basically. We have the master switch right here, I guess. Yeah, you can press it in. It will stay in. It is a 2-way button. Look at that, so nice. And down here, we have the charge port. All right, let's take a close look. Starting at the front wheel, we of course have the mudguard, the adjustment rails or rods for the mudguard. Then we have this unique approach to fixing the front wheel in place without the quick release. That's the other side. Here we can also see the reflector. Then right here, beautiful disc, beautiful caliper as well. And we already know how great they work. Cable goes up here. Cable management, of course, through the frame. Super large turn radius. Moving along the frame, we have really nice branding, shiny and silver. Also QR code right here. Then we already know the button. Then right here, of course, the pedals. That's sounding really nice. Chain cover right there, looking great. Then that's the chain right here. Here we have all the gears, looking dope. And the back wheel, of course. On the other side, we can see the beautiful disc right here. Everything perfect straight out of the box. And of course, the motor, caliper of the back, brake, and then also right here the kickstand straight out of the box, perfectly set up. Right here we have notes for the charge port, and yeah, we already know how that looks. Nice. Then up here we have the saddle clamp, the backlight and the saddle. Yeah, and lastly, of course, the handlebar. Really nice grips, nice rubber grips, feeling amazing, super soft, and yeah, just feeling nice in the hand. We also have the quick access right here, M buttons and up and down buttons for the assist. The bell and the brake. Nice looking front light right here. Great cable management. Then the other brake right here, feeling proper. Gotta love hydraulic brakes. And right here we also have the shifter. Press down here and press here. And lastly, of course, the display, which is looking amazing. So let's turn it on, press and hold. But it's of course not activated. First of all, we of course need to power on the battery. And now press and hold. This is how it will react to a circular polarizer, so I just adjusted mine, so let's turn it off and let's turn it on again. Super fast, gorgeous display, it's looking amazing. Definitely the highest pixel density I've ever seen. With the quick access buttons we can also cycle through the assists. Oh, we have 5 of them. Oh, you can activate the horn with the M button, pedal assist. And the horn, wow, super loud. Then we also have this M button, which is doing something different. Odometer, top speed, average speed, time, trip. It's looking so nice. And right here, these are basically the same buttons. Pressing and holding up will switch between kph and mph. And the down button, oh, that's a little rocket right there. And M button will turn on and off the light. Right, that's that. And this is what the light will look like. Good stuff. And now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. Right here, quick. Quick, quick, quick. Net weight is 18 kilograms, max load 120 kilograms. Max speed is 25 kph, locked of course, but you can unlock it to 32 kph. The rated voltage of the battery is 36 volts, 208.8 watt hours. The BMS features overheat protection, shortcut protection, overcurrent and overcharge protection. The rated motor power is 250 watts, rated speed 245 rotations per minute. Motor type is a brushless geared motor. We have a 42 volts charger with 2 amps of current, and it will take 3 hours to fully charge the battery. Yeah, there we go. Not bad, right? And now let's finally test it. So here we go. I forgot to show you what the tires look like. Nice profile. So let's go for a little ride. As always, I will start with pedal assist on 0. Oh, you can actually cycle through from 0 to 5. Super nice kickstand, by the way. I'm on 10, by the way, when it gets to the saddle height. Oh yeah, easy, easy. Without power, no problem whatsoever. Slight incline right here. Nah, that's perfect. Handling, really nice. Okay, let's go up in the gears. And as you can see, without power, I can easily cruise at over 15 kph. Okay, it's time. Assist 1. 2 from 0. Oh yeah, that's feeling really nice. And it's torque, yeah, it is definitely torque sensing. That's amazing. And on the other side, you of course have the quick access. Let's go up all the way to 5. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. That is awesome. Also free-handed riding, no problem whatsoever. It's really stable. Cruising at 25, it's taking no effort whatsoever. But let's go rocket mode. Whoa. Whoa. Yo! Okay, with a little bit of effort, as you saw, we can reach way higher speeds now. Sorry for the wind noise, just got myself a better mic. So, without the rocket mode, I can comfortably cruise at 26 kph. And now with the secret rocket mode, this will take me up to a good 30 kph effortlessly. This is awesome, I love this. I love this secret rocket mode. And thanks to this should take us to our destination in no time. And in the highest gear, I can get up to a speed, let's see, of 34, 35 kph. With a bit of effort, there it is. Oh my goodness, that is fast. All right, let's hit it. Rocket mode and assist 5. And even in the highest gear, getting started is easy. Oh, actually, I can actually go in here because right here we also have quite a lot of gravel, as you can see. Ha ha ha. No problem whatsoever, but that's not the main attraction. It was a mistake coming here. So, okay. Ha ha! Woo! This thing is fast! So there we go, gravel all the way. That's a perfect test area, so let's do it. Secret rocket mode, assist 5, let's hit it. Easy going, no problem whatsoever. And even on this road, it's still super stable. So check it out, more gravel, easy. This is perfect. Yeah, right there. It deserves the name. Now look at this road, this gravel road. This bike is actually perfect for conditions like these. It was able to handle all of that without any issues. Even though it has no suspension at all, but that's not a problem whatsoever. It is also incredibly light, so the acceleration is super fast. And it is just looking amazing. I mean, look at that. Wow, it is looking great. Mudguards are definitely no mistake either. They don't take away too much from the looks actually. They are super low profile and this will also make it perfect for rainy days. So yeah, super stable ride feeling. Gorgeous display, this is beautiful. Secret rocket mode, I love it. And the torque sensing is also superb. When you pedal a little bit, it will help you a little bit. When you go hard, it will also go hard. Torque sensing is definitely the future. I already knew it from the Fiido X and this one has it too. Torque sensing is just the best. And one last thing that I will get to in my conclusion anyways is the, well, somewhat limited range, because they wanted to get the frame extremely slim so that it literally looks like a regular bike. But this has a drawback of a bit of a limited range. I mean, it's not that bad. It's only like a third less compared to other regular e-bikes. So you won't get 80 miles, you maybe only will get 50 miles. So I mean, it's not that crazy, but there will be a possibility to extend the battery with a bottle battery. But yeah, more on that in the conclusion. But even without this bottle battery, if you go for short distances, I would easily pick this over any other e-bike with a bigger battery because it's just way lighter this way. And if you can charge it up every day, it should be no problem. It's looking beautiful. I like it. I like it so much. So here we go. One thing that I didn't mention is how silent this motor is. It is crazy. This motor is whisper silent. And also we have the trip recap always, you know, accessible with the M button. Almost 8 kilometers. I wasn't fully charged whatsoever. So I think out of this 5-segment display, well, out of the 5 segments, we lost 1 segment. Top speed, almost 40 kph. Time, 43 minutes, and total odometer 7.9 because this is the first ride, of course. So yeah, great e-bike. Love it. And great tires for handling gravel. 10 out of 10. Definitely a big thumbs up from my side. So as you saw, Fiido is doing great stuff lately. I was extremely impressed by the Fiido X that I reviewed some time ago. It was very futuristic. This one, on the other hand, has more of a modern touch to it. And it also uses the more regular bike shape and structural design, but with, of course, the same bleeding-edge intelligent hardware for a completely stress-free and elegant riding experience. As I said, this is a low-key bike and you would not expect anything crazy when you first see it, but it has quite some features, like the hidden speed unlock, for example, for a low effort max cruising speed of 32 kph. And as you saw, with a bit of effort, you can easily also cruise at 35 kph, and that is quite fast. Still 80 kilometers of cruising range, even without the extension battery that will fit in right here. And the reason for that is, of course, the super lightweight at around 17.5 kilograms. Yeah, the frame is super lightweight. We have an aluminum alloy frame, and also the front fork is also aluminum alloy. We have 700C wheels for gravel roads. Easy money, as you saw, no issue whatsoever. We have high quality welds all across the board. You can see some down here, super smooth and well cleaned up. It also has a comfortable leather saddle and is all in all just pleasing to look at. It also features a super responsive MIVIS torque sensor for a creamy smooth power assisted experience. And we also have a 9-speed gear shifter for all sorts of terrains and also for riding without the pedal assist. Up here we also have a gorgeous looking and unique middle mounted IPS display with an IP67 rating. Is a beautiful screen. And you can also connect your smartphone or your Fiido Mate watch for a proximity start. When you get close to it, it will turn off. It's amazing. And lastly, it also has an adaptive front light system, aka AFS, and also other various optional accessories, including the mentioned extension battery. And talking about the battery, the e-gravel series, namely the C21 and C22, they do have a smaller battery compared to other Fiido e-bikes. But this, of course, was a deliberate decision to maintain the sleek and slim appearance of a traditional bike. Thanks to the lightweight and the highly efficient motor, it still has a very long range. But if you want even more than that, good news, because there will be an extension battery with a bottle-shaped design that can significantly increase the bike's range, and this will be available for purchase very soon. As you can see, this is what it will look like. And all in all, the new e-gravel series is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.